Hello friends, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about recursive function. So what is a recursive function means if we access a function within the same function, then the function is called as a recursive function. So simply saying a function calling itself is a recursive function. We discuss with one example. So df of factorial of n f equals to 1, if n equals to 0, return 1. Else f equals to n into factorial of n minus 1. That means the factorial function call itself. It calling itself. So we say that the factorial function is a recursive function. So now we can see the execution. So this is the first line executed. Fact equals to fact of 5. So what is the value of fact of 5? We don't know. So the function is called. All the functions are stored in one stack. So f equals to factorial of that. For example, this is the main function. So this is the main. These code are placed in the stack. What is the first instruction? Fact equals to factorial of 5. So after that we can print the fact value. So that means this is the last instruction. So fact equals to factorial of 5. We don't know the value of this. This is the function. So function call is occurred. So factorial of 5 is called. So this is the function call n. So n equals to 5. F equals to 1. N equals to 0? No. So we go to here. F equals to n into. That means what is n value? 5. 5 into fact of 4. So what is the value of fact of 4? We don't know. So another function call is occurred. In the same thing, n equals to 4. F equals to 4 into factorial of 3. We don't know this value. Function call. N equals to 3. F equals to 3 into factorial of 2. Again the function call. N equals to 2. F equals to 2 into fact of 1. We don't know. Again function call is occur. N equals to 1. F equals to 1 into fact of 0. Again the function call is occur. N equals to 0. 0 equals to true. So return 1. That means this entire function returns 1. That means here it returns 1. Now this memory is deallocated. So 1 into 1 means 1. So this is returned to previous function. That means this is replaced with 1. So 2 into 1 means 2. So this is returned to here. So 3 into 2 means 6. So that is returned to here. 6. 4 into 6 means 24. So that is returned to here. 24. So 24 into 5 means 120. So the 120 is written to here 120. So fact equals to 120. The print fact means it print factorial equals to 120. I hope you understand how the recursive function is executed.
So now we can see the execution of the program. So recursive function means a function calling itself here called as a recursive function. The function name is factorial. In this function we are calling the same function factorial. So this is recursive function. So factorial of 5, it returns 120.